you are trying to ride the Tornado, I need your attention for one quick second. When you get on the ride, go all the way around the back. Find another guy with a blue shirt. They'll tell you where to sit. 4 people to a car. Do not touch the bars that are above your head. For the love of God, want you leaving with as many fingers as you got on. Okay? Please and thank you. Do not touch the arm bars.